We're here at Stoneham Lane Football Complex. It's been live since late 2019. £9 million it cost, from funding partners like the Football Foundation and Eastleigh Borough Council that put, the main contributors to this incredible facility we're at. And it's a great balance between artificial pitches and the natural turf pitches we've got in front of you. This area equates to about 32,000 square metres of natural turf pitches. Mowing regime per week, it ranges. Obviously, the lovely British weather, so from probably late November through till late January, we probably don't cut at all. Obviously, it's all more about the aeration and aesthetically making the pitches as good as they can be. So this time of the year, we're cutting 2 to 3 times a week, and we're cutting at about 30 mil to 35 mil, depending on what the growth's like during the week. And with the RMX-240 is we're able to alter the height really quickly. There's no onerous task of loads of spanners and loads of things. It literally is lovely gauge on the side, quick and easy job to do. Tools are in the cabin, so we can alter it when we like. So it's just a really straightforward process. And then when we go into the playing season, we get it down to about 22 mil, 25 mil for the start off. And then when we creep into October, we'll leave a little bit more length on it again at 30 mil, just to protect the pitches a little bit more. Stripes, aesthetics are massive in this industry. I've been on many a pitch where from the side of the pitch it can look like a carpet, and you get on it and you do see the odd undulation, you do see the odd, but if you get the aesthetics right, anybody turning up to any sports field, any park, to play any sport, it just gives you that extra bit of lift. I don't know what it is, it's a strange thing. The GMA Awards, I'm absolutely stoked. It's something that when I joined Hampshire FA, it is that goal that you aim for. Obviously back in 2019, it was we didn't even think about it. We had new pitches, weren't up to the level that they are now. And I've built a team around me, and they've put in a hard slog. They've been out here in all types of weather, getting the pitches ready for. Last year alone, we did just over 7,900 matches across the site. 900 of those were on these natural turf pitches. So, that's testament to those guys. So going up to Anfield at the GMA Awards this year and winning the awards that we did was testament to the guys that I work with and their passion and dedication to what they do. The reason why we went for the 240 in size is manoeuvrability, so we can actually manoeuvre it around the field, because it is quite precarious near the edges and near the bank, so we wanted a mobile bit of kit that we can move, lift, and rotary cut. The weight of it gives a lovely finished stripe at the end of it. The reason why we stuck with rotary is because the pitches are very sand-based, and then cost comes into it, and trying to reduce those costs down, still having the quality of cut that we want for the level that we're catering for, and the bit of kit that I've just spoken about behind me has been perfect from start to finish. With regards to the upkeep of the kit, the greasing is straightforward. Little things like that, and getting it into position and getting it at the right level and getting attached is really, really straightforward. We had a Wessex here, we had a 240, and at the new site down the road, we've gone for a 400 Wessex. The kit that they've provided initially has done the job, what we want, and we've only enhanced that relationship with the kit that we're using with them now. So I think the proof is in the pudding, so to speak, that we're, confidence in the kit. That goes, without saying, our confidence in the kit is second to none. And like I say, I can't speak highly enough of the relationship and the kit that we use from Wessex.